Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're checking out the Bissell 1984 Air Ram Cordless Vacuum, a compact yet powerful cleaning solution designed to make your life easier. Whether you're battling debris on hard floors or looking to pick up stubborn dirt from carpets, this cordless vacuum promises convenience and performance in one sleek package. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The Bissell 1984 Air Ram Cordless Vacuum packs a lot of punch for its size, thanks to its impressive suction power. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, plenty of time to clean your entire home, even in larger spaces. The vacuum features a dual-action design, meaning it's equipped to handle both hard floors and carpets with ease. Its strong suction power ensures it can pull up dirt, debris, and even pet hair without missing a beat. For those with allergies, the filtration system is worth noting, designed to trap dust and particles as it cleans. The 0.6-liter bin capacity strikes a balance, large enough to avoid frequent emptying, but small enough to keep the vacuum light and easy to maneuver. In terms of usability, the Bissell 1984 Air Ram is lightweight and ergonomically designed. It weighs only 7.75 pounds, so even extended cleaning sessions won't leave you exhausted. Its slim, upright build allows it to glide under furniture, making it perfect for quick cleans in tight spaces. The included attachments, like the crevice tool and dusting brush, are perfect for stairs, upholstery, and even your car interiors. The performance on both hard floors and carpets is where this vacuum shines. On hard floors, the Air Ram easily picks up fine dust and larger debris, and on carpets, it lifts embedded dirt and pet hair without much effort. The dual-action cleaning head adapts to both surfaces, making it versatile for all areas of your home. While this vacuum performs exceptionally well in many areas, there are a few things worth noting. One of the standout features of the Air Ram is its quiet operation. While it's not completely silent, the noise level is significantly lower compared to many other vacuums, and which is a nice touch if you're sensitive to sound or have young children or pets. However, as with any cordless vacuum, the battery life can vary depending on the power setting. On the high power mode, you'll see a decrease in runtime, which could be limiting if you're cleaning large areas at once. Fortunately, recharging is quick, and you get that 40 minutes on a full charge in regular use. When it comes to emptying the bin, the Bissell 1984 Air Ram features a simple press and release system, making it easy to dispose of debris without getting your hands dirty. The filtration system is designed to trap smaller particles, but if you have serious allergies, it may not be as effective as more advanced HEPA filters. Still, for most users, it will work just fine for everyday cleaning. The lack of a HEPA filter could be a consideration for those with severe sensitivities, though. The build quality of the vacuum is solid. While not built from premium materials like high-end models, the Air Ram still feels sturdy and durable. The plastic used in its construction feels a little lightweight but holds up well to regular use. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy-to-clean filters and brush rolls, especially when it comes to pet hair. You won't have to worry about tangled long hairs too often, which is a relief for pet owners. However, some users may find the handle a bit too short, depending on their height and posture, which could affect comfort during longer cleaning sessions. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Bissell 1984 Air Ram is priced fairly for the features it offers. It stands out in the cordless vacuum category for its power, runtime, and versatility, making it a great option for those who want a high-performing yet affordable vacuum. If you're considering other vacuums in this price range, you may find models like the Shark Ion Flex 2X or the Dyson V7 Motorhead, offering similar features with a bit more battery life or higher-end filtration systems. However, the Bissell's strong suction and lightweight design make it a compelling choice for everyday use, particularly if you don't need a vacuum with extreme features or are looking for a more budget-friendly option. In comparison to some more expensive models, the Bissell 1984 Air Ram may fall short in areas like advanced filtration or the ability to handle thicker carpets. But for the price, it's tough to beat. If you're mainly cleaning hard floors and need something to handle light to medium carpet cleaning, this vacuum will serve you well. In terms of long-term use, the Bissell 1984 Air Ram is designed for regular maintenance, but doesn't come with advanced features that would push it into the premium category. The motor and battery seem to hold up well with routine care, and while it doesn't have the same longevity guarantees as high-end models, it's solidly built for what you're paying for. If you've had any issues with other Bissell products, customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, fussed up, but you probably won't have to deal with it much, as this vacuum is relatively low maintenance. The filter and brush roll are easy to clean, and the battery life holds up well over time. To wrap up, the Bissell 1984 Air Ram Cordless Vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile vacuum that doesn't break the bank. It excels in cleaning both hard floors and carpets, is lightweight, and provides solid performance in real-world use. The lack of advanced features like HEPA filtration or a longer battery life may turn some users off, but if you don't need those, the Air Ram provides excellent value for its price. It's ideal for small to medium-sized homes, especially if you have pets or need a cordless option that's both powerful and easy to maneuver. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions or thoughts about the Bissell 1984 Air Ram, drop them in the comments below. Let us know what you think. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box too. Until next time, goodbye. And remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a hassle.